Hi guys, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'm going to give you my quick overview of an upcoming product called Rankflux. This product is going to be launched on 6th of April 2019 at 11 a.m. Eastern. So what exactly is Rankflux? So let's have a look at the headline from them. So basically it's a push button SEO plugin that gets you unlimited Google page number one rankings and free targeted buyer traffic, sales and leads in one click, and you need zero SEO knowledge or skills. So basically this is a plugin that will help you to rank your pages to number one in Google. So let's say you've got a blog or a website, and using this Rankflux plugin you manage to get it to number one page of Google for your particular keyword. So people searching for that keyword will land up on your website, and you're expected to get more traffic, and you're also going to get some leads and sales. And this is all very easy to set up. It's just a WordPress plugin, and it allows you to quickly and easily outrank your competitors and get page number one ranking 99% of time, regardless of any Google update, by uncovering hidden high traffic, low competitive keywords in seconds that you can add to your website in one click. So basically you're going to get free unlimited buyer traffic from Google by getting hundreds of rankings. So they've given an example of a keyword in a website that has been ranked using Rankflux. So this product looks very promising to me, and it is definitely going to help the people who want to rank number one on Google. I'm not sure how it is going to perform, but I will do a full review of Rankflux, and I'll give you my honest opinion so that you can make an informed decision whether to buy this product or not. And I'm also going to set up some custom bonuses for you guys if you decide to pick Rankflux using my link. So that will be a separate video as well. So as of now, what you have to do, just click on the link down below and subscribe to the list, where you will be notified when the bonus video is live and when the full review is live, so that you can go and check it out. And if you're watching this video after 6th of April, in the links down below, you can see my bonus products video as well as my full review of Rankflux. So please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, as there is a lot more content coming up for you guys on the channel. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you in the next one.